Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Bevel tool within subdivision modeling. Now the Bevel tool is very similar to G0 chamfer function within Surface Fillet. So if I wanted to, let's say, put a chamfer over here, I can just click on Surface Fillet, click these two surfaces, and it's going to build something like that. Now, in order to find the tool, you can find it here, or if you want to use the palette, you can find it here, and if you would prefer to use the puck, you can find it over here. Now, in order to use it, what you can do is you can select the edge loop like this over here, and just click on the bevel tool, and it's going to pop out like this. Now, I do suggest having it set at distance because even if you set it at relative, you can just use your left mouse button and drag it left and right while holding it down in order to change the size. And with the distance, you can specify the exact distance that you want it to be apart. So if I were to press 10, it's going to be exactly 10 mils between this edge and this edge. And if you want to change the division, you can. So let's say you want to make it a little bit more dense like this, which will create a little bit more defined fillet-like feature, or you can also change the crown as well. So that's going to, as you can see over here, change the location of the CVs like this. Now, usually, however, I just prefer to keep it at division 1, and that's how we use it. All right, so let's go ahead and just measure the distance between the two. So like I said, with the distance option, if you measure the distance from here to here like this, you'll see that it's exactly 10, which is very useful. Right, so one of the main reasons for using the bevel tool is to add a little bit sharper feature. So right now I have a little bit soft shape like this, but let's say you want to define that a little bit. What you can do is just pick these two edge loops like this and add a bevel, and that's going to make it a little bit more defined. Of course, if you prefer to use the chamfer, you can, of course, click on these and use the crease tool in order to really define the edge like this. All right, and that is how you use the bevel tool. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.